How is the Irish language used in Gaeltacht regions? Have you ever wondered how the Irish language is woven into the daily lives of people in Gaeltacht regions? These areas in Ireland are where Irish, or Gaeilge, is traditionally the main language. The Gaeltacht regions are primarily rural and can be found in counties like Donegal, Mayo, Galway, Kerry, and parts of Cork, Meath, and Waterford. Some inhabited islands, such as the Aran Islands and Achill Island, are also included. In these regions, the Irish language is an essential part of everyday life, but its use can vary widely. About 1/3 of the people in Gaeltacht areas speak Irish daily. In some places, like the Galway County Gaeltacht, around 39% of speakers use it every day. However, in Galway City Gaeltacht, that number drops to about 8%. This shows that the level of language use can depend on community engagement and individual proficiency. Education plays a significant role in keeping the language alive. Many schools in Gaeltacht areas teach through Irish, which helps pass the language on to younger generations. However, English is still widely used in many aspects of life. Many families in these regions are bilingual, often using both Irish and English. While a good number of people speak Irish well, some admit to having limited proficiency. The Irish government actively supports the Gaeltacht through various policies aimed at preserving and promoting Irish as a living community language. This includes funding for Irish-language media, cultural events, and initiatives to develop the economy in these areas. For travelers, visiting Gaeltacht regions offers a unique chance to experience Irish language and culture firsthand. You can hear Irish spoken in shops, pubs, and community events. Many places also offer language classes, and you can enjoy traditional music and storytelling. Engaging with locals in Irish, even if you only know a few phrases, is often welcomed and can make your visit even more special. In Gaeltacht regions, the Irish language is not just a means of communication, it is a vital part of cultural identity. Supported by education and government efforts, it continues to thrive, providing travelers with a distinctive cultural experience in Ireland.